So hi everyone, this is day 3 of SQL series. Now we are going to learn about what is order by class, in operator, between operator and many things, that is wildcard characters and many things in a short way. So keep on watching this video and continue till the end. So first we are going to learn about what is order by class. For that I need a one table. Like here I can choose on this table from this try like SQL database. Like here we have many tables, customers, categories. Here one of the tables is customers. I choose one table like customers and display it. I can retrieve the data from the customers table. So now we can use this order by class. For that I have to specify here order by, like order by. So what is the purpose of this order by class? The class will actually align the particular column in ascending or descending way. Here we have two types. One is ascending, that we can say as ASC, and another one is descending, so that we say like DSC. This means descending. In order to perform this ascending and descending operation, we need this order by operator. So for that you have to mention which column you need to be order. For we have to specify the which column. We have to specify country. So after specifying this country, you must have to mention it should be in ascending order or descending order. For that you said for ascending you mention ASC. If I run this query, it will display every country in the ascending from A to Z, like Australia, everything will be in A to Z, like A to Z. So if I want to specify, you have to mention this column should be in descending order, means you have to mention here descending. For descending you have to mention DESC. If I run this query, it will be from Z to A in a reverse manner. So that is how this order by class will work. For ascending, we did not to specify here ascending, because default it would be an ascending. So we did not to specify any like ASC or keyword. Yeah, if you have to perform descending, means you have to specify the ESC keyword. So that's all about order by class. Next we are going to learn about between keyword. As the before video I said, between means how to perform numbers with between. For the particular range we are using between keyword for numbers. So now we are going to learn about between keyword with text. So for that I have chosen the same table. So here I have mentioned like for between keyword is a particular operation. Like for operation we have to specify where keyword. After where, like after where keyword, after where keyword we are using like this country is between where, between, like for example if I choose some country like France to Italy, France to, I have to specify this text type in single quotes like France, France, and to Italy, E E T A L Y, Italy. So if I run this query, it will print whatever the whatever the alphabetical, from the alphabetical order, whatever the like France to Italy, it will print. So it should be print what the backend process of this query is. At first of all, it will align it in an order by class, and it will be structured in an ascending to ascending way. So after ascending, it will print whatever the character that comes, like F. In order to F, you have F, G, and FG. Like because we have no countries in starts with, after that Italy. So that is how it will be works for the like this statement between keyword will be works under the text. So next we are going to learn about what is in keyword and why we use in. For that we need to like have to use some product table. So here I have chosen some different table so you can understand it easily. So I have choose products table. So if I run this query, it will retrieve the data from the products table. So I need to only want 18 rupees price, who the customers having the price limit of 18, 90 and 10. So for that I give where the customers have price is equal to 18, or price equal to 19, or price equal to 10. So if I run this query, it will display only 18, 19 and 10. It will display only the 10. In order to simplify, in order to shorten the statements, we are using in operator. What is the purpose of in operator? To reduce this huge statement, to minimize this statement. For example, if I remove this price, if I remove equal to, here I have mentioned one back bracket. Here I no need to specify or keyword or nothing, just comma, and here also I am not even to specify or keyword or price equal to. It will, here we have to mention in keyword instead of making multiple conditions. By using of in operator, we can simply filter these records from 18, 19 and 10. Here it will display the same records 18, 19 and 10. It only display in records. This is how the in operator will work. Next, we are going to learn about what is like operator and what is wildcard characteristic. This is very important. So for that, we need, again, we are going to choose an customer table, like customers table. So I can retrieve the data first. So after that, we can perform these like wildcard characteristics and like operator. So for that, first of all, we need to use like where country here equal to, as before we are using equal to, right? So here we can use like operator because it's an wildcard characters. In wildcard characters we have two types. One is percentage and another is underscore. This percentage means multiple characters, this underscore means single character. You have to know these basics. Percentage means multiple character, underscore means single character. Here I have to mention the what the this like operator is. What is the purpose of this like operator and wildcard characteristics is, we can specify, like if you want only the country which starts with G. In order to that, I have to use this like operator. Here I like operator and open this. Here I using the single quotes, and you have to specify this like operator, the country which starts with G. So I mentioned G, and after I have given this percentage symbol. This percentage symbol denotes multiple characters. At the starting only G, and after the G I have mentioned specified percentage symbol means after G we can any characters, it doesn't consider any characters, it will be filtered. If I run this query, Germany will come. Starting G, whether the Germany whatever the countries which starts with G, it will be displayed. If I mention here A means it will print whatever the country starts with A. So that is how it will be work for this wildcard characters. If I mention percentage means double side means it will print any one characters in between, any one characters will be, and before and after any character doesn't consider, in between any A character mean you will print France, you have the A, in between anything it will be multiple characters. This is how it will work. Next we are going to learn that is a underscore. If I mention here underscore means it's a single character, like here it is a single character. After underscore A, underscore means here we have any character, like in here if I run this query, Canada in C, here in this place any character, it doesn't, any one character will be. If I give double quotes means any characters, like France is also having FRAN, and after that multiple characters doesn't consider. So this is how it will be work. If I mention here single K, and after K it will display the country which is starts from any character but ends with K. So this is the wildcard characters and like operator. In order to use wildcard characters, we must have to specify like operator. So that is the thing. Next we are going to learn about aliases name for tables. Aliases names, for that I have just remove this and run it. So here we have a table, customer name, customer ID, contact name and address and everything. So I have to specify only customer ID, like customer ID and customer name. I want only these two column. So if from this column, it will display only the particular two column. In order to change this column name, what we do? So in order to change this column name, we are using aliases. That is, aliases means nothing. Here we have uses as keyword, and if I name like ID, customer ID would be an ID, and here I have customer name as name. If I specify this, it will change the column name. And one thing is very important, it does not change the permanent, that is the original table. It is a temporary purpose, it is for our understanding. So this column name will doesn't affect our original table. So it is our actually our reading purpose. So you must have to be clear with this. So this is the aliases name for table column names. So that is how. So next we going to learn about what is mean by like limit keyword, where we can use limit keyword and what is the use of. So for that we have to choose like select star from which table we have. Now we choose product tables products. So if run the query, it will display. So I want only the first five customer product name. First five means I using limit keyword. Here I use limit. If I not equal to 5, it is this doesn't run. No, here you not need to specify any equal to or any operator. You simply give space and give 5 means it will retrieve the records from the first first 5. Here I think in this SQL website it doesn't work. In your website you are using MySQL means it will be work definitely. So you can make use of it, and this is the use of limit keyword. I have to say it, but here I don't know how I don't know it can't work properly. So this site is having the problem, but the statement is query is correct. So here we have start from products limit 5. Here I mentioned 10 means it will give the first 10 records. And another one thing in limit keyword is if I mention 2,5 means it will eliminate the first one. After the first one it will print the from the second it will print the 5 records. That is how it will be useful for to print. If I give the if I give where like a name equal to Suresh, SURES, Suresh means it will print the first, it will print the Suresh name, whatever the products that is buyed by Suresh, it will display, and it will display only the like 2 to 5 means after the first it will omit, and it will print the after 5 records. So what is the purpose of this limit keyword and use of it is it will use a useful for if we having a huge number of recorders. In order to perform the operation we must have to only want the first 5 records or first 10 record means this method will limit keyword is useful. It is will useful to make the websites could be boosted away. It makes the websites more proficiently used by using of this limit keyword. So that is how the limit keyword. So that is about this video. In this video we learned about in operator and like operator and between keyword and aliases name for tables, and how we can use like a limit keyword, and other than that, and how we can use order by class and everything. Hope you have enjoyed this video. So in further video discuss about what are the modifiers in this SQL series and many things. So keep watching and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you.